Welcome back to Acer Rider. Today, we're diving deep into the soul of American cruising with the brand new 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. This isn't just another bike, it's an evolution of a legacy. If you love thunderous engines, long highways, and bikes with attitude, make sure you stick around till the very end. We've got a special surprise lined up just for the Harley faithful. The Street Glide has always stood tall in the Harley-Davidson lineup, bold, iconic, and unmistakable. In 2025, it returns with a modern twist that still honors its roots. The classic Batwing fairing has been sharpened, reshaped, and reimagined for better aerodynamics and a stronger visual impact. It's got that signature Harley muscle, but now it's more sculpted and futuristic than ever. Power that speaks loud, Milwaukee-Eight 117. At its core, the new Street Glide roars to life with the Milwaukee-Eight 117 V-twin engine, 1,923 cubic centimeters of pure American torque. It's smoother, cleaner, and more powerful than ever. Harley has tuned this beast for better low-end grunt and top-end punch, while also improving fuel efficiency and heat management. It doesn't just move, it thunders down the road with authority. The tech leap, smart touring redefined. 2025 isn't about old-school riding only, Harley's gone all-in with tech. The bike now features the Skyline OS infotainment system, showcased on a crystal-clear 12.3-inch touchscreen display. It supports Apple CarPlay, navigation, music streaming, and even voice control. You're more connected than ever, all while keeping your eyes on the road and hands on the bars. If comfort is king, then the 2025 Street Glide wears the crown. With a Showa suspension system, improved rear shocks, and a newly contoured seat, this bike eats miles like candy. Whether you're riding solo or two-up, the suspension adapts beautifully to road conditions, delivering a smooth, planted ride even over rough patches. Harley has made long-haul riding feel like a cruise on clouds. With great power comes great responsibility, and Harley delivers with advanced safety features. The new Street Glide comes equipped with cornering enhanced ABS, traction control, engine brake management, and hill hold control. You can enjoy every twist and turn, every sudden stop, with confidence and control. Safety never felt this badass. From its new LED headlamps to the aggressive rear fender design, the 2025 Street Glide is a rolling work of art. Available in bold new colors like Atlas Silver Metallic, Whiskey Neat, and Billiard Gray, this machine isn't just meant to be ridden, it's meant to be admired. The chrome and blackout options give riders the choice to suit their own personal vibe. This bike is built for the real riders, the road warriors who live for weekend rides, cross-country tours, or just escaping city chaos. Whether you're a seasoned Harley owner or making your first leap into American cruisers, the 2025 Street Glide delivers unmatched presence, performance, and purpose. It's for those who believe the journey is just as important as the destination. Here at Acer Rider, we believe the 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Glide strikes the perfect balance between heritage and innovation. It's still the Street Glide you know and love, only better. More tech, more comfort, more power, and above all, more soul. This is a motorcycle that reminds you why you ride in the first place. And now, the surprise you've been waiting for. As promised, here's the surprise: Harley-Davidson is releasing a limited CVO Street Glide 2025 Anniversary Edition, with only a few hundred units being produced worldwide. It comes with premium finishes, custom paintwork, a performance exhaust, and an exclusive touring gear pack. But the best part? Buyers of this special edition will receive a VIP pass to Harley's 2025 Road Rally, including an invite-only meetup with the engineers and designers behind this beast. If you're lucky enough to grab one, you're not just buying a bike, you're joining Harley history. That wraps up today's deep dive into the 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. If this bike gave you goosebumps like it did us, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Acer Rider for more exciting motorcycle reviews, tours, and updates. Until next time, keep the throttle twisted and your spirit free. This is Acer Rider, where every ride is an adventure.